So, pollution is defined as the alteration of our surrounding. It means in a paligid wholly or largely as a product of man's actions through direct or indirect effects of change in every patterns of chemical and physical constitute of organism. It is the change in the environment that makes it impure or unclean. Usually, the changes are poisonous or harmful to life processes. It occurs when waste products are added to the environment. Pollutants can be solid, liquid, or gases. Pollution are everywhere in the air and waterways to the soil. So, so what is air pollution? Air pollution, the contamination of the atmosphere by toxic pollutants present as a concentration above their natural level which pose adverse effect on living things and the ecosystem. Air pollutants. The substances that are responsible for air pollution are known as air pollutants. It can occur in solid, liquid, or gaseous form. It also can come from natural as well as human sources. Air pollutants can be classified as primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants. A primary pollutant is an air pollutant emitted from a source directly into the atmosphere. Take a look at the picture. Primary pollutants are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, and so on and so forth. And secondary pollutants non secondary pollutants form in the atmosphere as a result of chemical or physical interaction between the primary pollutant and the other atmospheric. Secondary pollutants are not emitted directly. They form in the air when primary pollutants react or interact. Yung pinakaiba. Secondary pollutants are sulfur acid, sulfur trioxide, nitrogen acid, carbon dioxide, ozone, hydrogen peroxide, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Yan siya. Primary and secondary. Effects of secondary pollutants are secondary pollutants harm the environment by making photochemical smog and acid rain. They are also responsible for global warming. Photochemical smog, acid rain, global warming, that's all. So let's proceed to what are the effects of air pollution, causes air pollution, and how we can prevent of air pollution. So let's start. We know the presence of unwanted harmful substances in the air is termed as air pollution. And additional gases, particles, or odors in the air can be termed as a pollution. So let's see effect of air pollution. First, What are the health effects of our health? Someone a polluter in the air can be very harmful for health or living beings. Chemicals like benzene or vinyl chloride in the air can cause our diseases like cancer, birth defects, long-term injuries to the lungs, and death. Breathing polluter and may cause infections in eyes or nose. Air pollution due to traffic is the main reason behind the increase in the number of asthma patients. Chemical pollutants in the air when mixed the pollution in air and force acid rains is very harmful for all being beings. Acid rain destroys trees, crops, farms, animals, and also pollutes the water bodies. The engines. So take a look that picture. And also harmful for animals who drink that polluted water. And another important of this air pollution is smog. It is born smoke and pinaghalo then is equals to smog. It can be very harmful for those who breathe it. Smog contains harmful ozone that's very harmful of our lungs. So take a look at the picture. Smog also reduces the visibility. We So let's proceed to causes of air pollution. Emission from industries, manufacturing and activities. Almost all types of industry emit a lot of smoke that is released as atmospheres and can pollute it in the air. The smoke has a level harmful of gases and particles like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and organic compounds that are very harmful. Burning of fossil fuels. Fuels like gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and coal are examples of fossil fuels. Mini gasoline for running in the emit a lot of smoke that contains a lot of polluted like carbon monoxide, oxide of nitrogen, hydrocarbons, and particles. Under all cause of harm, breathing polluted is harm pollution react with environmental gases for further create more toxic gases. This emission of smoke from vehicles is prime reason of air pollution as there are millions of vehicles. As today, every person's life relies on the some or other kinds of vehicle. Vehicles are required for transporting goods and to travel from one place to another. And we all need it to travel. Household and farming chemicals, crop dusting, fumigating homes, household cleaning products, painting, and so on. Pakitingnan lang yung mga example. So, we'll learn some major causes of air pollution. Now, so let's present how can we prevent and control air pollution. This is industrial area and residential area maintenance distance. The chamber in the industry should be made sufficient all so that the smoke is released as higher as possible. The mining areas should be planted at trees. Coal fuels should be used as least as possible. Vehicle must be designed with emission control system. Vehicle must get regular maintenance check. We must try to join carpools or join chanfos as a safe of fuels. Always try to prepare public transport or walk small distance or use a bicycle. Always buy energy efficient appliances. Recycle newspaper, aluminum, and plastic waste. We should plant more and more trees. So, there are how can we prevent and control erosion? Pakibasa na lang po. So, that's all